Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of November, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.38. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a decline of -0.5%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.17% since its classification as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and strong rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a possible trend shift. With the trend now broken, there will be resistance at the lower boundary of the trend at $138.04. A reaction back to this level may present a second opportunity to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 32.79% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 35.44% and 54.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 172.08% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 151.88% and 210.19%. This translates to a price range of $340.89 to $419.81 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock price down 1.15% on Wednesday. The Nvidia stock price declined by 1.15% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 27th of November, 2024, falling from $136.92 to $135.34. During the previous trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.67%, ranging from a low of $131.90 to a high of $135.42. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, totaling a decline of 7.47% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased by 35 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 218 million shares were traded, with a total value of approximately $29.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $152.89, while the lowest was $45.01. Currently, the price is 11.48%, or $17.55, below the 52-week high of $152.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia has experienced recent fluctuations in its stock price due to various market pressures. Analyst Stacy Rasgon from Bernstein suggests that potential tariffs from the Trump administration may not significantly impact the semiconductor sector, indicating a broader resilience within the industry that could benefit Nvidia in the long run. However, the company also encounters challenges from post-earnings blues and concerns regarding potential trade tensions with China, which have contributed to a recent decline in its stock. While Nvidia's earnings for the third quarter showcased impressive growth, a 94% year-over-year increase in revenue, largely fueled by its data center sales, investor sentiment has somewhat dampened. There are fears that elevated valuations may limit future gains. Currently, Nvidia's stock is trading at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of approximately 48, making it a costly option amid shifting market dynamics. This valuation may prompt some investors to explore alternatives like AMD. As we approach the end of 2024, expectations for Nvidia's growth appear mixed. While the demand for artificial intelligence chips remains robust, the technical indicators suggest that recent price declines could present a buying opportunity for investors looking to leverage Nvidia's long-term potential. Overall, while short-term volatility may persist due to external factors and market sentiment, Nvidia's strong fundamentals indicate solid prospects moving forward, albeit with caution regarding its high valuation in an increasingly competitive landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight grade accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned NVDA an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned NVDA an overweight grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned NVDA a perform grade paired with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NVDA an overweight grade together with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have classified the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Nvidia stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected around $141.40 and $140.70. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7th, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 9.09%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 14 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 52 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average presented a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $117.59 and $116.91. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $117.59. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $116.91 and $108. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.52 between its high and low, or 2.67%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it may suggest that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2026 is expected on the 19th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 82 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $136.02. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $117.59. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 7th of November, 2024, Ochoa Ellen conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 9th of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A conducted an insider sale of 165,100 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 95.807. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,882,865 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? The Nvidia stock currently shows several negative indicators. Despite an overall positive trend, we anticipate that Nvidia may experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of November, we expect Nvidia to open down by $1.12, starting at $134.22. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.